I will teach you how to do the hummingbird card trick. Okay. I have a pack of baseball cards here. And then look. Don't look at my hand here. Don't just look at the card. Then I can spin it all I want. I don't want to waste too much time, so let's get on the tutorial. If you look closely here, I have a piece of string or thread. Now I suggest you use fishing wire because it's completely invisible. No one can see it. Now, you get the fishing wire, or string, whatever you're using. Put it on the card. Rip off a piece of Scotch tape, or any kind of tape, but no Scotch because it's invisible. And then put it on the whatever you're using for thread. And then for the other part, tape for the other side, get the string, tape it to another piece of tape, like so. After that, you'll end up with something like this. Okay. Tape it. Can't really do this. Tape it right here. Right here, so no one notices you're wearing tape. So you put it here, back of your right shoulder if you're right-handed, if you're using the card with your right hand. Next, put the card in a pack of cards. It really doesn't matter where it is, anywhere. Okay. And then, finally, to make it rise off of the deck, you just take the thread, go like this, and then just pull. Just pull like this, and then it allows the card to come off. And then, to make it come off your hand, you put it between your thumb and your pointer finger, and then you put it here, the loop, and then squeeze. And then you just pull when you're ready. Oh, and did I mention you have to put it here, close to here, so if it falls, it won't, close to your muscle here. And then, so it looks something like this. And then it just almost sort of leans on that. Then it's just spin it all you want. That's it. And then if you want, you could even do this. Between your two fingers, your first finger and your middle finger. Go like this, squeeze. Like this. And then just, no, sorry. Yeah, put it like here. Put your thumb over the rest. And then just go like this. And that's an explanation for the hummingbird card. Bye.